going vegan, if I knew I would feel like this, I would have did it sooner. Period.
Hey, let's go. Freedom. Freedom.
What's going on, Get Fun Gang? It's your girl Joy, the flyest vegan chef. And as always, I'm here to give you guys that good, okay? On today's episode of Fun Fun Milan, I'm going to be talking to you guys about the things that I wish I knew before I went vegan. But before we get started, I'm going to need you guys to click the subscribe button, bloop, so that you can stay updated with all the good that I have for you guys. Number one, it's a process. So often we beat ourselves up for not being perfect when we're trying to incorporate something that's brand new. Relax, mommy, kamete, papi, relajate. It's okay. But in all seriousness, we have to give ourselves grace on this journey, okay? You're not just gonna hop out and eat a whole foods plant-based diet from day one when last week you were having chicken wings and ribs and whatever else, fast food, soda. Give yourself grace. It's a process. With this process, not only will you begin to start eliminating certain foods, eliminating certain people, but also you'll be faced with scrutiny. What? That's right. On this journey, you will be faced with scrutiny. People will constantly be trying to tell you what you should be putting on your plate and why you shouldn't be vegan. Sweetie, ain't nobody asked you all that.
But again, it's a process. So give yourself grace and be ready to extend that grace to others as well. Number two, hey, be prepared. Because baby, the vegan options sometimes can be minimal. That's right, guys. You want to be prepared. Whether you're going to work, whether you're going to be running errands, or whether you're going to be in the house because you work from home or you're off and you're just chilling. Be prepared with what meals you're going to have, because the worst thing that you can do is to be hungry and try to figure out what you're going to eat. It's not happening. If you're not really into meal prep, know what you're going to be cooking for that day. If you're running errands, pack you some snacks, like some fresh fruit, maybe some granola. Make sure you're drinking plenty of water as well. Be prepared. If you fail to plan to fail. Number three, hey. I wish I knew how amazing I would feel. Wow. I never realized just how much brain fog I was experiencing day to day before I went vegan. My thoughts are so much more clear, so much more concise. I mean, the skin. Let's get into the skin. Baby, my energy levels, although I'm already a super hyper person, my energy levels feel like the ceiling, okay, I could just keep going. My energy levels have been amazing. My joints, wow. There used to be a little ache and pain. I was like, hold on, I ain't even 30 yet. What is this? And now, amazing. I feel so good, like no cap, no exaggeration. Going vegan, if I knew I would feel like this, I would have did it sooner. Period. And number 4 of what I wish I knew before I went vegan. I wish I knew how connected I would feel to my body. Now, that may sound strange to you. Connected to your body. Connected. Aren't you already connected to your body? Chill. Let me explain. So when I say connected to my body, before, if I ate something and I would have like a little tummy ache or whatever it may be, maybe more brain fog or maybe a headache or whatever sign or symptom that would come about, there was no way for me to really pinpoint it. It just was what it was. I was feeling however I was feeling for that day. But in the process of going vegan, cutting out certain things, getting more intentional with what I'm putting into my body, I was able and still am able to pinpoint anything that's going wrong. If there's a certain vegetable, if there's a certain grain that I consume and it makes my body feel this way versus this way, I can pinpoint it. I will literally fiend for nutrients. I'm not talking about, oh, you can just, you're hungry, eat a Snicker bar. No, my body will literally fiend for nutrients, and I can tell the difference in that hunger pain. So yeah, I think this is probably the best this is probably the best thing that has happened. Things I wish I knew before I went vegan. How connected I would feel to my body. Okay guys, and that's going to conclude my video on things I wish I knew before I went vegan. What are some things you wish you knew before being vegan? If you're not vegan already, what are some things that you've been finding out about going vegan? Let me know in the comments. And again guys, make sure you subscribe. Like this video, comment if you're feeling it, comment if you're feeling your girl. And I look forward to making more videos for you guys. Until next time, I'm out of here.